Hello IG Garage family. Is your car showing the P0049 error code and struggling with turbo performance? This issue can cause excessive boost pressure, engine knocking, and even turbo failure. Ignoring it could lead to major engine damage. In this video, we'll cover what P0049 means, the exact sensor location, very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Stay tuned because fixing this issue early can save you thousands on engine and turbo repairs. What does P0049 mean? The P0049 code stands for Turbocharger Supercharger Overspeed. This means that the turbocharger is spinning faster than its design limit, which can cause serious engine and turbo damage. The boost control system is failing to regulate the correct turbo speed. Alright, let's talk about the symptoms of a P0049 error code. First off, you'll likely see the check engine light turn on. Another common symptom is excessive boost pressure, also known as overboost. You might also experience engine knocking or misfires. Sometimes, you might even hear a whining noise coming from the turbocharger. And of course, poor acceleration or the car going into limp mode are also telltale signs. Now let's dive into the common causes of a P0049 error code. First, a faulty wastegate actuator. If it's stuck closed, it can cause excessive turbo speed. Second, a boost control solenoid failure. A malfunctioning solenoid can't regulate boost properly. Third, vacuum line leaks. Leaks in the vacuum system can cause incorrect boost control. Fourth, a faulty turbo speed sensor. Incorrect readings can trigger an overboost condition. And finally, an ECU malfunction. The engine control unit may be miscalculating boost levels. So, where are the key components located for a P0049 error code, specifically the turbo speed sensor? Turbo speed sensor location, usually mounted directly on the turbocharger housing. It measures the rotational speed of the turbo to ensure it stays within safe limits. Boost control solenoid location, typically located on or near the turbocharger. It controls the wastegate to regulate boost pressure. Turbocharger wastegate actuator location, found on the turbocharger assembly. It is connected to the wastegate flap that controls exhaust flow into the turbo. Alright, let's talk about vacuum line connections. These lines run from the boost solenoid to the wastegate actuator. Make sure to check for any leaks, cracks, or loose hoses. It's a small thing, but it can make a big difference. Here's a tip for you. Always refer to your vehicle's repair manual for exact locations based on your make and model. It can save you a lot of time and trouble. Now, let's move on to diagnosing and fixing the P0049 error code. First, check the turbo speed sensor. You'll need a multimeter to test for proper resistance. If it's not providing the correct readings, go ahead and replace it. Simple as that. First, check the turbo speed sensor. Use a multimeter to test for proper resistance. If it's not providing the correct readings, you'll need to replace it. Next, inspect the boost control solenoid. Use an obd2 scanner to monitor boost pressure. If the solenoid is stuck or not regulating boost properly, replace it. Finally, test the wastegate actuator. Manually move the actuator to ensure it's not stuck closed. If the wastegate doesn't open, you should replace or adjust it. 4. Check for vacuum leaks. Inspect all vacuum hoses connected to the turbo system. Replace any cracked or damaged hoses. 5. Clear the code and test drive. After repairs, reset the P0049 code and take your car for a test drive to confirm the fix. So, that's everything you need to know about P0049 Turbocharger Overspeed. If you're dealing with this issue, check your turbo speed sensor, boost solenoid and wastegate actuator first. So, that's everything you need to know about P0049 Turbocharger Overspeed. If you're dealing with this issue, check your turbo speed sensor, boost solenoid and wastegate actuator first. For more important car fixes, check out these videos next. 1. P0253 Injection Pump Fuel Metering Control. 2. P0098 Intake Air Temperature Sensor. 2. Circuit High. If this video helped you, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.